We are working on 2022 BMW X6. It has a Harman Kardon audio system. Customer would like to upgrade the speakers. We are putting sub and 2 amplifiers with audio control module or Axxess module to integrate it with the factory audio system. All right, so we're going to take the door panel apart. First thing you're going to do is remove this little plastic that goes over the door knob, the locking knob. Use a panel popper. You just simply pop this out. It comes out easy. There is a torque screw right inside. We're going to take that out. On this side, there is another cutout. Same thing. You're going to use a panel popper to remove. Be careful. This clip is in here this way. So you're going to have to pry this one from this end and slide out like that. And we're going to remove this part here. There is a small cutout. You're going to simply pop this out. It doesn't come out. You just move to the side and remove those 2 torque screws right there. Then put your hand over here like this. And you pop this straight out like this. And there are 2 torque screws here. Now let's take all the screws out. Oh, there's one more underneath. You're gonna have to remove that panel. Just use a little L-shaped pocket tool and just pop this out. So we got all these out. Have to take this out. All right, there's a little trick to it. Can you pop this out? You're gonna pry this one out of the way first. Pry them out. You're gonna slide this way. There is a clip right here, another one down here. So you're gonna release this clip and this clip here to slide this one all the way out. You're gonna disconnect this tweeter. There's the release. Is it on the bottom? Okay, you just force that out. So there's no locking pin anyway. You just pull that hard and it comes out. Yeah, let's remove all these screws. What number are those? T20. 20? Yeah. These are Torx T20. Should be 2 of them there, and 1 in here. Was it inside? And another one here. There is a 3 screws on the bottom side of the door panel. All right. Okay, so this is the screw inside. Gotta get this out. Wait, my hand. There's one stuck in here. We're gonna leave it in there for now. We're gonna disconnect all the plugs behind. Just one plug. You push the green locking tab away from it. And this is the door lock. So down and close out. That's how it comes out. Now, these have a 4-inch speakers. These are specially made, obviously. And I don't know why they have such a small speaker in here. Tweeter's normal size. We can put 1-inch tweeter in. Here, we got a lot of space here yet. Take a small speaker in here. I'm gonna see if I can put 6.5-inch speaker in here, which will make a better sound. So let's see if we can modify that. All right, these are torque number 20. This is Alpine Type R component speaker. My idea is mount this one here. We're gonna mount it on the door panel. We have to clear this magnet and the basket on the car side, the door side. So this fits fine. Now I gotta find the spot on the door panel side. My idea is this is gonna be somewhere here. Obviously that doesn't go in because of this plastic and that plastic. Since we're gonna mount it over there, we don't really need to worry about the factory mount. We're gonna cut this off. We're gonna shave this much off and make the room for the magnet and the basket in here. It should clear. Make sure it clears. All right, so we ended up taking all the 3 mounts because it was actually hitting it. But once we get rid of all these 3 mounts, cut out this much behind, speaker magnet does fit in here. So I'm gonna put some dynamite over just to cover that hole here. And the speaker gets mounted, as I said, on the back of the door panel like this. Like that. So we're gonna make a little spacer there, mount the speaker on the door panel like some BMW Mercedes do, and cover this one up with the dynamite. That should do it. All right, so we got both side panel out. To take the panels out, you gotta remove that cover that was on it. This comes out, side panel comes out, all this top comes out. As you can see, there is an amplifier here, another one here. I'll put the wiring diagram online so you guys can see what colors what. So our plan is to put 1 amp down here, another one maybe either here or on this side. All right, so we managed to use a plumbing strap here. Another one here, we put spacer underneath, screw, 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 screw. So we got 4 screws holding. It ain't going nowhere. And there's still a space underneath, so it doesn't hit the door panel. So it's got enough space to do this, so it's not gonna vibrate. So I gotta make a little correction here. I thought, let me have this speaker. It has 2 terminals, as you can see. I thought this was a plus, this is minus. It's not that way. These are tied together, the bottom one, which is a blue-red and blue light green. Those are tied together. Then the blue tan, blue white, they are tied together. So these, that's plus, this is minus. Well, that's what we're gonna use. So you do the same thing on all 4, you should be fine. Again, these bottom ones are tied together, top ones are tied together as 1 terminal. So one goes to the tweeter, one goes here, but they are tied together here.